Hello, and welcome to the first IGCSE mathematics tutorial for Extended. Okay, so first let me introduce myself. I recently, in 2013, in November, took an IGCSE maths exam and Extended, and I got 85%, which is an A. So yeah, let's get into it. Now this is aimed for IGCSE mathematics But if you are, for example, doing a different qualification, you can still, if you're having trouble with one topic, for example, trigonometry, you can come and watch the video, okay? So, I'll show you the book we're going to get. I'll show you the book. This is the book that I'm using. It's Extended Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE by 3rd edition by David Rayner. And I don't know why that piece is not showing up. So, I'll clear this, and let's get into it. So, this is in page 2. 1.1 arithmetic. So that's what page 2, 1.1 arithmetic. So let's get into it. So we know how to do simple things like addition and subtraction, even like long multiplication and division. The first thing that you might have a bit of trouble with is decimals. Let's start by doing the example A, which is 7.6 plus 19.0. And that's going to equal to... Okay, so first we add this up. First we add that up, that's 6, put the decimal point there. 7 plus 9 is 16, put 6 there, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 26.6. That's example A. Example B, those all decimals. Example B, which is 3.40 minus 0.24. That would be, so 0 minus 4 doesn't go, we need to make this a 3, but make that 10, that goes 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. So 3.16 is our answer. Let's do C. This is the multiplication question. So, C. Okay, we've got 7.2 times 0.21. So we need to know that we have a total of 3 D dot P decimal places. So let's do that. Now we can do, basically we do 72. So first we do 2 times 1. This is long multiplication. We do 2 times 1 first, and it should be 0. But okay, so we do 2 times 1. That is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and then we do 7 times 1, that's 72, and we also need to put a plus sign here. We also need to do 2 times 2. 2 times 2, it would be, what's 2 times 2? 2, and we put a 0 first. 2 times 2 is 4, and we do 7 times 2, that's 4. 1, 4, 4, 0, we add these up. So 2 here, we put the, this is a 5, this should really be a 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 2. Now we see we had 3 decimal points over there, so we have to put in the 3rd place. Okay? So I'll clear the board so we can do D. D is dividing. So we do 0.84 divided by 0.2. So we need to multiply both numbers by 10 so we can divide by a whole number. So this is actually going to be equal to 8.4 divided by 2. Now we can do this like this. 2, we can put 8.4 here. How many times? 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then that would be 4.2. So that's the answer, equals 4.2. And E is more of the same. We just have to multiply by bigger numbers. And that. So that's pretty easy. That's all straightforward. So let's start with fractions. So let's change the color. Fractions. So a fraction is like 2 over 3, 5 over 6, 3 and 1/2. Those are all fractions. You can tell because they have a numerator. So let's do 2 over 3. Numerator. And a denominator. So let's do a question. Let's do a simple one, like 2 over 3 plus 4 over 3. Now we need to know that these are the same. They are the same. They're the same common denominator, so we can just add the top parts. We don't add the bottom parts. So that's 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. Because that, cancels that. So, clear the board again. So, let's do one that isn't so nice. Let's do 3 over 4 times 2 over 5. No, not times, plus 4 over 5. So, we need to make these equal. We need to find something called the lowest common multiple of these, and that happens to be 20. So we make both of them by 20. We need to multiply this one by 5 to make it the same. So 3 times 5 is 15. And plus, and then we make this one 20. This one needs to be multiplied by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So now we can add that up normally, which is going to be equal to 31 over 20. 31 over 20. Which can then be simplified down to 111 over 20. Okay? Subtracting is really not much harder. Let's do 9 over 5 minus 2 over 3. That's equal to 15. We have to multiply this one by 3 to get, we need to multiply that one by 3 to get, and then 3 is 27, minus this one times that one to make it 15, is 2 times 5 is 10. Now I can subtract, so we end up with 17 over 15, which is equal to 1, 2 over 5. So that was adding and subtracting. adding, and subtracting, and we'll wrap it up with multiplying and dividing. So, multiply, divide. So let's do one. Let's do 5 over 11 times 6 over 8. This has not been simplified, but it does not matter. So if we multiply the top, it's like there, and that goes that. So it's like 5 times 6, which is 30, over 11 times 8, which is 88. Very easy. That is very, very easy. Dividing, not so easy, but still easy. Let's do same one. 5 over 11, this time divided by 6 over 8. Now, we know that when we're dividing by this is actually equal to 5 over 11 times 8 over 6. If we flip this one over, it becomes a multiply. Flip that one over to get that. And that is what makes dividing so easy. Sometimes, in these cases, addition and subtraction is actually harder. Let's do 5 over 11 times 8 over 6 is equal to 66. 5 times 8 is 40, and that's 40 over 66, which is really quite cool. So let's revise what we've done. We've started with page 2, arithmetic, and we've actually gone to page 4. Page 2 to 4, arithmetic. We've done decimal operations. We've done the AS. We've done the AS on this page. Here we did the DM, and we started into fractions here with the numerator and the denominator. Here we did addition and subtraction. And here we do multiplying and dividing. Yeah. So that's about it. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to help. But I guess I'll see you next time, okay? And next time, we'll be doing fractions, decimals, percentages, and maybe a bit of sequences, okay? But I guess I'll see you then. So for now, this is me signing off.